Hi, tonight I'm going to show you how to kill an underground yellow jacket's nest to make sure that you don't get stung. This has to be done at night once the yellow jackets are in their nest. Take some hot water, preferably boiling hot water. Locate the nest. Now you can do this during the day. Put some sort of a stake or something near it so you know right where it is. Pour the hot water into the yellow jacket nest. This will not only drown them, but also scald them to death. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.